Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with this beautiful DIY pillow cover. If you want to see how I put it all together, then keep on watching. Here are the items that you'll need for this DIY. First, I'm using this 20 by 20 pillow cover. And I got these from IKEA in the girly collection. It is 20 by 20. And what I do is when I go into the IKEA, I pick up a bunch of these. They're usually there for like $4.99. So I just grab a few in case I want to do a project like this. I'm also going to be using this faux fur strip roll. And this came from the Dollarama. I bought it maybe a couple of years ago for $4. And then of course I'm gonna be using bling wrap, and I got this roll from Totally Dazzled. I will leave a link in the description below. That way you can check them out for some of these beautiful bling items. And lastly, I'm also gonna be using my hot glue gun. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm just going to measure my bling wrap. I'm going to take it all the way down the center of the pillow cover. And at this point, you can determine how wide or how narrow you want it to be. In my case, I'm using the exact length as it comes. Just going to cut it here with my scissors. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the very same thing with the faux fur strip. So I'm just going to measure again, just down the center, and then I'll cut that off. Now, when you cut the faux fur, you're going to have some fallout. Just go ahead and pull them out beforehand, and then you get ready to glue it down to your surface. Okay, now that I've done all my cutting, I place the mesh wrap first in the center, and I make sure that it's exactly where I want it to be, and then I'm just gonna go in with the hot glue gun and just start to glue it. So I just put one strip here first just to start me off, and then I'll just work my way down. Okay, so now that I've added it going down the center, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work on the sides. So I'm just going to flip them over just like so, and just add the hot glue in strips going down. Okay guys, so we have securely attached our bling wrap, and it looks amazing. At this point you could stop if you wanted to. I've seen this design all over Instagram. I've also seen it on Amazon, and I believe here on YouTube as well, with just the strip going down. But of course I wanted to add a little bit more texture, so you know me, I'm going ahead and adding the strip. So it's the very same method. Put it right down the center off the mesh wrap, and go ahead and add your hot glue. So just like before, place it where you want it to be, and then I'm just going to add the hot glue and work my way down. And when we come back, we'll be styling. Okay guys, I am all done, and I did a little bit of a styling on my sofa just to give you an idea of how it turned out and how it looks, and I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at that. Now you can style this pillow for a few occasions. Valentine's Day, which is coming up soon. You could also use it over Christmas or pretty much throughout the year if you're a red type of girl or a guy. It's absolutely up to you. But I just wanted to show you how quick and easy you could transform a simple pillow cover into something that suits your decor needs. Now guys, you can use any pillow cover of your choice. I stated earlier that I get these from the IKEA, but even if you have an old pillow cover that you want to spruce up, go ahead and get you some of these Totally Dazzled bling wrap. They have them in different colors, silver, gold, and rose gold, and spruce your place up. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and leave me a comment below in the comment section and let me know if you enjoyed this DIY. And also, why don't you let me know if you'll give it a try? And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you taking the time to click on this video. And I'd love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher, Chelomie, saying bye-bye.